Hello everyone, Penny here from That's Just Penny and the Junk Journal Ministry. Today I am sharing with you an art journaling Bible mask titled Stand in Awe for Psalms 4. Today I have created a lady with some journaling cards. This is my praise Bible that I'm showing here, and I'm showing you that I am a margin girl, meaning I don't like to cover up the text. So I have put a margin strip of 65-pound cardstock, and it is a belly band. I could also make this a flip, but I wanted to do a belly band. Here are some journaling cards that comes along with the kit. Check out the links down below where you can get your very own copy of these free printables. The margins art that I create is just basically in the margin area. I usually like to create a belly band or a flip up so that I can add more journaling items behind that because there are more chapters, of course, on that page. Here is the Print It Yourself Art Journaling Bible. If you're interested in printing one yourself, check out the links down below. Here I have the mask and accidentally stuck there. And if I move the mask, I still have my page. I have all my notes. I have all my text, everything that, so I can study by. So this is the mask that I created to go over for Psalms 4. I hope you enjoyed this. Bye.